Some dash cams are just there to tick boxes, but then there are ones that actually change the way you feel about driving day to day. This one definitely falls into the second category. It makes the price feel worth it pretty fast. These days dash cams aren't just little boxes stuck behind your mirror. They're sharper, sleeker, and feel more like a proper piece of camera gear than a tiny add-on. And it's not just the video that makes it stand out. There's all these smart safety features, AI tricks, and neat integrations that make it feel like your whole driving setup got an upgrade. This is the DDPAI Z50 Pro dashcam. This is a dual camera 4K and 1080p dashcam with Wi-Fi 6 for quick transfers, AI powered features, and a build that's clearly designed for long-term use. It's aimed at drivers who want top-end video quality and smarter safety features in one unit. It's not just about recording journeys, it's about peace of mind when you're behind the wheel or when the car is parked up. But it doesn't come cheap.
So the burning question is this product truly worth that asking price? Well, let's first start by unboxing it.
So the Z50 Pro comes neatly packaged with the camera unit, rear camera, adhesive mounts, cabling, and a tool to help tuck wires out of sight. And then there's your basic user manual. Now straight away, I will say the camera itself looks rather sleek with a compact matte finish that doesn't scream too much attention on the windscreen. The discreet size helps with the peace of mind too. You want your dashcam to protect you, not to advertise itself to everyone walking past the car. Even the lens housing has a reassuring sturdiness to it. When you adjust the angle, it doesn't feel loose or flimsy, so you know it'll hold steady even with bumpy roads. Now, installing with most of these dash cams nowadays is very straightforward. The adhesive pads feel strong and the supplied cable is long enough for neat routing in bigger cars. Once mounted, it does blend into the car's interior nicely without being too distracting. The front unit sticks neatly behind the rear view mirror and the rear camera connects with a single cable that can run along the roof lining or around the car seals. To be fair, the included tool makes it easy to hide wires, so you don't have anything dangling down. The rear camera is small enough to fit discreetly near the back window, and the mounts feel sturdy enough to handle long-term use. Because that rear camera is so lightweight anyway, it means less pressure on the adhesive mount and a very easy install. To be fair, the whole process is very easy. You don't have to be a genius to figure it out. Pairing with the app was quick thanks to the Wi-Fi 6 connection, which is noticeably faster when transferring clips compared to older dashcams I've tried in the past. The app itself is clear and lets you change settings, view live footage, or download recordings straight to your phone. Within probably half an hour, I had it mounted, set up, and recording, along with being able to use the app in its full entirety. Honestly, they've made the whole process very simple. The fact you can view footage on your phone instantly is a bonus. It's not just about the convenience of setup, it's about being able to quickly check angles or confirm it's recording without fiddling with buttons. It just adds to the reassurance this dashcam offers. It never really leaves you guessing. Honestly, the video quality is probably the thing that stands out the most with this dashcam. It's definitely its main selling point in my eyes. The front camera records at 4K HDR, while the rear handles 1080p HDR. And both are enhanced by DDPAI's upgraded RealCube 2.0 image tuning technology. And to be fair, that combination delivers footage that comes across as balanced, sharp, and full of detail in pretty much any lighting condition. With the front 4K camera, you can actually make out license plates at distances and catch small details that cheaper dashcams tend to blur or wash out. that. I also noticed how well the wide-angle lens captured more of the road than cheaper cameras. That wider field of view means you're more likely to capture crucial details happening just off to the side. It's one of those features you might not notice straight away, but it could make all the difference in an accident claim. Now, the rear camera isn't quite as crisp as the front, but it's still pretty usable. You can see cars, pedestrians, and other important details behind you, which is enough for everyday driving or backing up safely. Where it really impressed me though is at night. The AI Night Viz 2.0 enhancement, powered by DDPAI's AI ISP image processing, makes a noticeable difference. Instead of footage that's washed out or too dark to see anything, you actually get usable bright and clear video even in very low light conditions. Street signs, pedestrians, license plates, things that normally get lost in shadows are very visible. Even when other cars' headlights are glaring, the dashcam balances exposure well, so you don't miss anything important. Honestly, it makes nighttime driving feel way less stressful knowing the dashcam is picking up what your eyes might miss. The built-in GPS is a really nice touch, letting you track your speed and exact location without any extra setup. This is all done within the app. Combined with the clear video and AI features, it feels like you've got a proper safety net while driving. If something happens on the road, you actually have a solid piece of evidence to back yourself up. There's no need to prove where you were or what speed you were going, it's all recorded onto the footage itself. The Z50 Pro isn't just recording for the sake of it. It actually tries to keep you safe on the road. The ADAS 2.0 system provides real-time driving alerts, like lane departure warnings and forward collision alerts, so you get a heads up before things get risky. There are also features like forward vehicle start alert, which alerts you if the car in front moves when you're stopped, and even driver fatigue alerts, which remind you to take a break if you're driving too long. The alerts are customizable, so you're not constantly bombarded with warnings that feel unnecessary, but they are there when you really need them, so that is reassuring. Voice control is a super handy feature too. I could just ask, take a photo, and the dashcam would grab a photo still without me having to reach for anything. I'm not really sure where this feature would come in handy, but I guess if you're driving on a scenic route and want to take a photo, I guess it's a great way of doing it. Now, day-to-day use, the Z50 Pro made a difference in small ways. On a sunny morning drive, the footage came out sharp without the glare washing everything out. At night, it captures clear images on dimly lit streets. When parked, the motion detection picked up activity around the car and saved clips automatically, which certainly gave me peace of mind leaving it overnight. You also get instant alerts on the DDPAI app with location, time and footage if an unusual event occurs. I guess it's just so reassuring. Now, it's not all perfect. I'd say the ADS alerts, while useful, can be a bit chatty in heavy traffic. Sometimes it reminded me about things I wasn't really aware of, but I guess I'd rather it be too cautious than not cautious at all. But for some people, it might be a bit too much. Having said that, the Z50 Pro dashcam is built for drivers who want high-end recording and reliable safety features in a neat, durable package that is very easy to set up and leave running. The combination of sharp 4K video, fast Wi-Fi transfers, AI-enhanced night vision, and very practical touches like the super capacitor that ensures this runs even in hot temperatures or very low ones. But beyond the basic spec sheet, it's the peace of mind it gives you that really sells it. It's a piece of tech that works quietly in the background, only stepping forwards when you need it. That's where it makes it valuable. It's there to back you up, not distract you. If you're looking for a unit that blends into the car, records crystal clear footage day and night, and gives you that extra reassurance while driving or parked, this is actually an all-in-one excellent choice.
And with that all being said, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think, and as always, till next time.